Robust digital expert enthusiasts. Hey, digital enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Robust Digital Expert channel, your go-to digital cafeteria for developing top-notch skills. If you're hungry for career growth and ready to unlock a realm of opportunities, you're in the right place. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things digital. At Robust Digital Expert, we're not just experts, we're your digital companions. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your digital skills, we've got a spot for you. No need to be a guru, everyone's welcome. Whether your goal is to be a business analyst, project manager, data scientist, or delve into artificial intelligence, we've curated over 130 possibilities for you. But it's not just about learning, it's about real-world application. Our live digital projects and work experiences immerse you in the challenges you'll conquer. And guess what? It's not all serious business. We've sprinkled in masterclasses on self-love, mindset mastery, and personal development because we believe a holistic approach leads to true success. Ready to embark on a brighter future? Head to our website, link in the description, for more details and secure your spot in the Virtual Mentoring Academy. Don't miss out on this life-changing experience. Join us, where digital dreams become reality. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. The title for the playlist. Project Management Acronyms and Glossary.
The title of today's episode.
Enhancement, Maintenance, and Upgrade, EMU.
The table of content.
Table of contents. Definition. We start by providing a clear and concise definition of the acronym or glossary term, highlighting its significance in the field. Origin. We discuss the origin or source of the acronym or glossary term, providing relevant background information or historical context to help you understand how it emerged. Detailed explanation. Here, we offer a thorough explanation of the acronym or glossary term, breaking it down into its constituent parts and explaining the meaning behind each element. We elaborate on any specific terminology or concepts associated with the term. Relevance to the field. We explain why the acronym or glossary term is essential and relevant. We discuss how it addresses a specific need, solves a common challenge, or represents a key concept within the discipline. Usage. We describe how the acronym or glossary term is used in practice. We explain the scenarios or contexts in which it is commonly employed and how it contributes to the field. Examples of application. We provide 2 concrete examples that demonstrate the practical application of the acronym or glossary term. We explain how it is utilized in these scenarios and the benefits it brings. In summary, we summarize the acronym or glossary term, offering a brief and concise overview that allows you to understand it quickly. Definition.
Enhancement, Maintenance, and Upgrade, EMU, is a classification system in the software development industry that categorizes projects based on their purpose. Enhancement projects focus on improving software functionality or performance, maintenance projects ensure the software continues to work as expected, and upgrade projects develop new versions or releases of the software.
Origin.
The EMU classification originated as software projects became increasingly complex, requiring structured approaches to manage diverse needs. This system was developed to allow software teams to allocate resources and set priorities for different project goals, such as functional improvement, troubleshooting, and new releases.
Detailed explanation.
Enhancement. This involves adding or improving features to meet user needs, enhance user experience, or adapt to evolving technology trends. Maintenance. Focused on troubleshooting, fixing bugs, and ensuring software performance remains stable over time. Maintenance keeps software running as intended without significant changes to features. Upgrade. This classification involves creating new versions of the software, often incorporating significant changes or new functionalities and optimizations. Distinct project focuses. Each category, enhancement, maintenance, and upgrade, serves different project goals, allowing teams to manage resources, timelines, and expectations effectively based on project type.
Relevance to the field.
Optimizes resource allocation. EMU helps in prioritizing resources for specific types of projects, ensuring efficient use of time, budget, and personnel. Enables clear communication. Distinguishing projects as enhancement, maintenance, or upgrade aids in aligning stakeholder expectations with project scope and outcomes. Improves strategic planning. EMU helps organizations plan long-term, balancing incremental improvements, ongoing reliability, and the evolution of software products.
Usage.
Project prioritization. EMU classifications are used to prioritize projects based on business objectives, urgency, and resource availability. Defining project scope. EMU helps define project scope and deliverables, allowing teams to outline specific goals such as performance improvement for enhancement or troubleshooting for maintenance. Budgeting and forecasting. EMU supports budgeting processes by forecasting costs associated with enhancements, maintenance, or upgrades.
Examples of application.
Customer feedback-driven enhancement. A software team may undertake an enhancement project based on customer feedback, adding new features to increase functionality and user satisfaction. Routine software maintenance. Following routine diagnostics, a software company may launch a maintenance project to fix bugs and ensure smooth software operation, maintaining reliability and customer trust.
In summary,
EMU enhancement, maintenance, and upgrade provides a structured approach for categorizing software projects. Enhancement focuses on adding or improving features, maintenance ensures continued performance, and upgrades develop new software versions. This classification system aids in resource allocation, stakeholder alignment, and long-term planning.
make a difference by giving.
Thank you for being a part of our community across the Sure Word for today. Start here with Jefferson, and robust digital expert. Your support is invaluable to us. By buying us a virtual coffee, you're helping us continue to produce content that inspires, educates, and empowers, making a difference in the lives of others. Together, we can make a difference and reach even more people. Thank you for your generosity and for believing in our mission. Make a difference today by clicking the link in the description. Thank you for watching and listening.
Thank you for being part of our YouTube journey on the Robust Digital Expert YouTube channel. We appreciate your support and encourage you to subscribe to our channel for unique educational content. You'll never miss the latest updates, new playlists, and exciting content by subscribing. Join our community of learners and professionals and gain access to a wealth of knowledge. We value your feedback, so please comment on our videos and let us know what topics you'd like us to explore. Subscribe to the Robust Digital Expert YouTube channel and embark on an exciting journey of knowledge and exploration. Thank you, and we look forward to having you as a valuable member of our community.